Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your quiet mode in the newly refreshed 2024 Kia Seltos. I have in front of me here an EX front-wheel drive in Pluton Blue. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we are going to head over to the 8-inch audio display, and then we're going to see you have an option down here for all menus. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and then you're going to see quiet mode is an option here. So I'm going to select that. And just like it says, it provides sound only to the front seats. So it's going to cut out all of the sound to the rear speakers. If volume exceeds the factory set quiet level, it is lowered. So it's going to keep the front speakers set to a low volume if you just want to be low key in the car. So if somebody happens to be sleeping in the back or there's an animal back there, you don't want the noise from the radio or anything to be loud, but you still want to listen to a bit in the front, you go ahead and turn it on. So all we have to do is touch quiet mode at the bottom here. That little orange light came up to tell you it's on. And there's also a symbol up here in the corner. So if you're on a different screen, it's going to be there just to remind you that you're in the quiet mode. And then if you want to turn it off, we go back into the quiet mode menu and then just hit quiet mode again to turn it off. Now, don't forget, you do have the option of, with the custom buttons, we have the empty star button to the left of the audio display. So if we press that, you'll see quiet mode as an option to make that as a shortcut to quiet mode. And then don't forget, you've also got your other custom button on the steering wheel, the filled in star, which also can be selected as quiet mode. And if you have a higher trim level with the 10.25-inch infotainment screen, all you have to do is swipe the home screen to the left, and then you'll see quiet mode as one of the options there. While I was editing, I forgot that I needed to mention, if we happen to be in quiet mode, it's on, and then you go and restart the car. Quiet mode will not be on when you turn the car back on, so you can't accidentally leave it in quiet mode. So personal preference if you want to use that feature or not. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.